y'all. Today I'm going to show you how to make my famous cornbread. Now everybody does cornbread a little different, so by all means you can adjust some of these things to fit your family. But my family really prefers a nice moist cornbread. So to start, we're going to do 1 cup yellow cornmeal. Next, we will have 2 cups all-purpose flour. Then we'll do 1 cup granulated sugar. One nice, almost tablespoon of salt, and about a tablespoon of baking powder. Now I always start with my dry ingredients first so that I can take my whisk while it's still clean and just get everything mixed in together and going. Once that's thoroughly mixed up, we'll switch over to our wet bowl. So we'll get this one out of the way and we'll come over here with our new wet bowl. So we're going to start with 3 large whole eggs, and please guys, crack it on a flat surface. Don't do this. This breaks the egg. You're going to end up with a bunch of shells in there. It's just not worth it. Crack it on a flat surface. Boom. We have those in. So I'm going to go ahead and just get those started. Make my mixing process easier later. There we go. We're good and mixed. So now I'm going to go in with 1 1/3 cup whole milk. Then we're going to go in, if I don't spill any, with a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Our final thing is going to be 1 stick of melted butter. Now we're going to mix all that really well. I'm going to bring my dry ingredients back over. We'll pour this right over the top. Make sure we're getting let me make sure we're getting a good shot there. And boom. We're in. Nothing left on the bottoms or the sides, so we're good. So on baking, you have quite a few different options. We can go with a round, you can do more of a square baking pan, but here in my house, we live in the South, so you know, of course, I have a cast iron skillet just for making cornbread. Now, if you do go with those other options, I suggest greasing the pan before you pour in your batter. But as you can see, this recipe is perfect for my cornbread cast iron pan. All right, simple enough. So now we're going to take our cast iron and we're going to go into our preheated 400-degree oven on the middle rack. 30 to 35 minutes later, you check your oven and you have perfectly cooked cornbread. And that, my friends, is moist cast iron cornbread. Let's just take a look at this. Boom. Boom.